Hi there, Sydney Brown here, Memoir Mastermind with tips for publishing and writing newbies. So we're going to talk right now about the power of writing groups and writing partners and how they can help amplify your writing journey. Now, if you're already part of the I Remember When project and you are watching this as part of your training, we're going to get through this and you already have a writing group and you have the ability to link up with anyone in our writing group as a writing partner. You want to look for someone who has as much in common with you as possible as far as your story and different things like that. But absolutely just post in the group that you would like to find a writing partner and let the other people step up and see who you vibe with. If you are not yet part of the I Remember When writing project, where you will have a year to create your personal memoir and go through a whole slew of exercises and processes that we just basically breadcrumb feed you so that you don't feel overwhelmed. You're welcome to check in the description below for the link and come join us. We're excited to get to know you. But let's just jump right in. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe so I can keep all of this training free. And if you would, please like each video and comment just to let me know what you thought of each video and if you had any questions, because I want your input. It helps me know what to record and what to do next.